Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the Battlegrounds mobile game battery rating test in the Realme GT Neo 3D device. This is another most requested question asking me to make a video on this particular topic. Let's see friends, using with this 5000 mAh of battery capacity, how many hours you can actually play the Battlegrounds mobile game. So that's what I'm going to check in this video, starting from 100% to the 0%. Right now as you can see friends, I did charge my device to the 100% of the battery capacity. And let's find out friends what's going to happen regarding the battery draining test, how many hours you can actually play the Battlegrounds mobile game non-stop in the Realme GT Neo 3D device. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. Right now as you can see friends, after playing more than 30 minutes of time, exactly 36 minutes, the battery dropped to 91% as you can see exactly, and the temperature did increase up to 39 degrees Celsius. So that's why the temperature did increase while doing this kind of testing. So definitely friends, this is something to know about the temperatures overall in this device. So it can get high up to 40 degrees Celsius, and the haptic feedback, they are working actually pretty good in this device. No issues with the haptic feedback. Like when I'm trying to fire and everything, it works really excellent regarding the haptic feedback. But let's find out friends, after 1 hour how much the battery will be draining, and I'm trying to use with a 50% brightness capacity in this device. You can see 50% brightness, and I'm going to be back after exactly 1 hour of time. Then we can discuss more details what's going on as well. So I'm going to be back after some time. Right now as you can see friends, after exactly 1 hour the battery dropped by 15% in the Realme GT Neo 3T device. As you can see, so 15% the battery got dropped in 1 hour of time, and the temperature highest I did see kind of close to 37 and 38 degrees Celsius, even 39 as well sometimes. I did see the temperature highest. The haptic feedback works really very good in this device. No issues with that haptic feedback at this moment. But I can be back after 2 more hours of time, then we can discuss more details. So after 1 hour of time, these are the statistics which I can actually see here. So battery dropped by 15% and the temperature did increase up to 38 and 39 degrees Celsius as well. So I'm going to be back friends after 1 more hour of time, then we can discuss more details, how much the battery is dropping in this device. I can be back after 1 more hour. Right now as you can see friends, we are getting close to even 2 hours of time as well, and the battery dropped to 70% right now, as you can clearly see. With the 70% the battery dropped a little bit, and the temperature was able to maintain 36 and 37 degrees Celsius after 2 hours of time. I will be back after 2 hours of time exactly. So friends, this is how the battery got decreased after 2 hours of time. So it dropped to 69% and the battery temperature was able to maintain 36 degrees Celsius while performing this kind of testing. And I will be back kind of close to 3 hours of time, then we can check more details about the battery, how much it can actually drain as well. So I will be back after 3 hours of time. So overall 69% the battery got dropped after 2 hours of time. As you can see friends, finally after getting close to 3 hours of time, let me show you what is the battery percentage. It dropped to 53% as you can see in 3 hours of time. And you can see the temperature did increase up to 37 degrees Celsius, so which is kind of normal temperature which is maintaining throughout the time. And I'm going to be back friends after 4 more hours, then we will try to see. So overall, as I said, the expectations are kind of close to 6 hours you may get the battery draining non-stop in this Realme GT Neo 3D device. So overall battery draining from 100% to the 0%. In case if you want me to upload any other videos on other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below. But haptic feedback are really good in this device. I'm getting pretty good haptic feedbacks. Nothing much major problems with the haptic feedback anyway. But I'm going to be back friends after 4 more hours. Then we will try to discuss more details. But overall the battery dropped to 53% and temperature to 37 and 36 degrees Celsius. I'm going to be back after 4 hours of time. Right now as you can see friends, after 4 hours of continuously playing the Battlegrounds mobile game, and with the smooth and extreme settings and with the 60 FPS, and you can see the battery dropped to 35% after 4 hours of time, and the temperature did maintain about 38 degrees Celsius in the Realme GT Neo 3T device, as you can clearly see friends. So 4 hours and still we got 35% left. So overall we might get kind of close to 6 hours of time as well, but let's find out friends, maybe 6 to 6.5 hours of time in between, that kind of time frame it can be there. And I'm trying to use with the Wi-Fi connection and using with the 50% of brightness capacity during this time of testing. So I will be back friends after 5 more hours, then we can discuss more details. But overall I did not see any kind of major FPS drop, and the temperatures was able to maintain below 40 degrees throughout the time. And haptic feedbacks are working excellent in this device without any kind of issues after enabling that. And I will be back after 5 hours of time. Right now, as you can see, friends, time is about 5 hours of, and in this 5 hours of time, the battery dropped to, let me show you, 18%, as you can clearly see, and the temperature did increase 39 degrees Celsius while performing this kind of gameplay test in 5 hours of time. So definitely it can come close to 6 hours of continuously playing the Battlegrounds mobile game non-stop by keeping the temperatures close to 40 degrees Celsius throughout the time in the Realme GT Neo 3D device. So please let me know in the comments below, friends, what other videos you want me to upload on this device. So I'm going to be back, friends, after some time. So maybe at the end of the battery rating, maybe around 2% out of 5%, we will try to see how much we can actually get regarding the battery backup. But overall, you can expect up to 6 hours of playing continuously. 5 to 6 hours of non-stop playing can be possible in the Realme GT Neo 3D device. And the temperatures kind of close to 40 degrees Celsius the phone will maintain during the time of testing. I will be back at the end of the battery test results, maybe close to 2%. Right now, as you can see, friends, we are getting close to exactly 6 hours of time. Let me show you, friends, exactly what is the battery percentage it is. So right now it is 2%, as you can see, friends, around 5 hours and 55 minutes of kind of close of time, as you can see. So we're getting slightly kind of very close to the end of the test results, and overall it was able to maintain close to 6 hours of time as well regarding the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay continuously. So that's why the question a lot of users did ask me, like, how long can you actually play the Battlegrounds mobile gaming continuously from 100% to 0%. So this is a video for you all, friends. Overall you will be able to play up to 6 hours of non-stop gaming can be possible in this device. So if you use the 4G data connection, the results might be slightly different. And if you try to increase the brightness as well, the results might be slightly different. So I'm trying to use with the Wi-Fi connection and with the brightness of 50% and 40%. That's what my brightness usually is. So as I said, if you try to use with the 4G data connection, if you try to play the game with a slightly 80% of the brightness, then you might feel slightly battery is draining pretty fast. So it also depends upon type of connectivity you use as well while playing. So you should definitely remember that. So as a round figure, you can always consider like in between 5 hours and 6 hours of time, you can get the gaming backup in this Realme GT Neo 3D device. So these are the statistics for the first 5 hours of time. You can see 85%, 69%, 53, 35 and the 18. Temperatures were able to maintain 38, 39 throughout the time. So 36 as well, as you can see. Right now it reached to 1% of the battery capacity. Exactly. So it may be able to switch off at any minute as well in the Realme GT Neo 3D device. So let's see, friends, what's going on. And regarding the FPS real-time statistics, you can see it was able to drop up to 52 FPS as well, 52 and 54 right now at this moment. So it dropped to 50% overall regarding the FPS count while performing. These are the quick statistics for the first 6 hours of time. I was playing continuously the game non-stop, and even I did enable haptic feedback as well in this device. I'm just waiting for the phone to switch off automatically. Let's see how many hours you will be able to play the game. So again, I'll be back exactly when the phone gets to switch off. So exactly, friends, around 6 hours and 1 minute of time, the phone completely got switch off as well. Right now there is no charge in the device, but overall these are the statistics are in this device regarding the battery rating, how much you can actually expect. 6 hours of battery backup can be possible while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game in the Realme GT Neo 3D device. So meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and let me know in the comments what are other videos you want me to upload on this device. Until then, stay tuned. Signing off and bye.